Hello, if you are wondering if there's the emergency SOS call on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, then yes it is, and let me show you how it works. So when you go to the watch settings on the Galaxy wearable application, you got option to enter for the safety and emergency. And over here, as you can see, we got actually a lot of options with playing warning sound, with countdown, so it will call emergency number automatically after 10 seconds, but you can change it, for example, for 5 seconds or manually, let's check 2 seconds. Now we cannot. We have to enter a number of seconds from 5 to 30. Now by going back, we get also that additional option, require swipe to call. So it will actually prevent accidental emergency calls, and we'll have to actually swipe to confirm, but you can actually turn it off. And to do that call, you have to press the home button 5 times to call an emergency number. And over here we can change the emergency number to call, but also we can set a custom one. There's one important information that calling non-emergency numbers requires a mobile network connection. So you will have to get LTE version, because this device is also with a second version, only Wi-Fi and Bluetooth without LTE. So it will be not able. You will be not able to set a custom emergency number. And also you can send SOS to emergency contacts. You can select from contacts, or basically create a contact.